Now we've run the wires and neatly dressed them all the way back. One trick I used when we ran the two together from the door here, I twisted them around themselves so they stay together. You don't have two separate ones going all over. We've brought them down here. What we need to do is use the wire strippers to clean off the insulation so we can make a good contact. And so we just have these strippers that strip them off. You could use a knife, but a lot of times the knife can actually slice through the wire, make it weaker. So we'll strip each of them off. And then what we're going to do is similar wires we twist together. By similar, I mean on the wire you'll notice that one has a black streak on the side of it. And so the two with the black streaks we'll put together. So we'll take the two black streaked ones, twist the pairs together. A pair of lineman pliers helps well to twist these things together. And then we'll do the two whites. Now, in this particular type installation, the gray and the white right here, receptacles where we're going to run the wires. So we're just going to plug the wire right into that hole, and they lock in. And then the other one we just put in the hole and push in, and it locks right in. So you notice I left a little service loop in case we ever have to modify it in the future. Now these are the controllers for the, they were originally here for the other garage door, and they are going to go in the other two connections. All the different openers are going to have different instructions on which holes to put them in, so you're going to have to read your manual and get them in the right holes. In the right holes. What I've got in gray on the right here or whatever, it doesn't make a difference. You've got to look at your installation manual and install them the way they say to.